Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a dead car battery or a flat tire is one of the most common roadside nightmares that could happen at the worst possible time? Well, today we're diving into the top jump starters with built-in air compressors on Amazon that not only revive dead batteries, but also inflate your tires on the go, all in one compact device. All the links are in the description, so check them out before we start. Let's kick things off with number 6, the VANXIPOW 4500A150 PSI Jump Starter, a sleek, portable powerhouse designed for drivers who want an all-in-one emergency solution without cluttering their trunk. With a 4,500 ampere peak current, this jump starter is compatible with gas engines up to 9.0 liters and diesel engines up to 8.0 liters, covering a wide array of vehicles. The integrated 150 pounds per square inch air compressor inflates a standard car tire from low to normal pressure in about a minute, making roadside emergencies much less stressful. The large LCD display is super helpful, showing real-time battery and tire pressure, while the 600-lumen LED light with steady, strobe, and SOS modes keeps you safe at night. Compared to simpler units like some Wolfbox models, VANXIPOW's combo of jump starter, compressor, and power bank offers a more portable, integrated solution. Of course, the air compressor requires cool-down after repeated use, and for those who rarely inflate tires or charge devices, it might feel a bit bulky. Still, the VANXIPOW 4500A strikes a strong balance between versatility, portability, and safety, making it perfect for travelers or SUV owners. Moving on to number 5, the WNDFLV 5000 A160 PSI Jump Starter ups the ante with a slightly higher peak current and a 160 PSI air compressor. Its smart jumper cables, LCD display, and built-in protections make it extremely user-friendly, while its compact design and storage case enhance portability. Compared to VANXIPOW, WNDFLV delivers more inflation power, slightly faster tire top-offs, and a higher peak current for slightly larger engines, but sacrifices some raw, heavy-duty performance in exchange for versatility. It's ideal for everyday motorists who want jumpstart, inflation, power bank, and LED emergency lighting in a single device. On number 4, the PIRAIL 5000. A jump starter offers almost identical specifications to the WNDFLV with a 5,000 ampere peak current and 160 PSI air compressor, plus multiple inflation modes for cars, bikes, or sports equipment. Compared to the VANXIPOW 4500A, it's a step up in power, yet retains the same portability, and the backlit LCD adds convenience. While heavy-duty or frequent users may prefer a dedicated compressor, PIRAIL balances convenience and emergency readiness perfectly for most car owners. Number 3 brings us the NOCO Boost+Air AX65, a slightly smaller but incredibly efficient 2,000 ampere jump starter with a 67 liters per minute airflow compressor. While its peak current is lower, it inflates tires rapidly, 0 to 40 psi in about 2 minutes, and doubles as a 60-watt USB-C power bank with a bright 100-lumen LED flashlight. Compared to the larger 5000A units, AX65 is more compact and portable, ideal for everyday cars and SUVs, though it's less suitable for larger diesel engines. Number 2, the GOOLOO A3 offers 3,000 amps peak current and a 150 psi auto shutoff compressor with multiple modes, 5 nozzles, and a rugged, ergonomic design. It sits between the VANXIPOW and NOCO in terms of power, offering solid jumpstart performance, fast inflation, and a durable build without becoming too bulky. It's versatile, convenient, and dependable for most standard vehicles. Finally, number 1, The ACEZUK 8000 ampere jump starter with air compressor is the heavyweight champion, boasting 8,000 amps peak current and a 150 pounds per square inch compressor capable of handling large SUVs, pickups, and light commercial vehicles. Its 3.4-inch LCD display, USB outputs, and LED lights make it an all-in-one roadside emergency kit, outperforming all other units in raw jumpstart power while retaining portability for its size. While it's heavier and may feel overkill for small sedans, for frequent travelers or owners of larger vehicles, it's hard to beat in terms of versatility, strength, and peace of mind. So guys, which one caught your eye? Are you team compact portability like the NOCO AX65 or going all in with the ACEZUK 8000A powerhouse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reviews, and check all the links in the description to grab your perfect jump starter with air compressor today. Stay safe out there.